Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download OneDrive folders for reliable backup and versioning, complete guide step by step clearly. To download OneDrive folders for reliable backup and versioning, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the OneDrive website by entering the URL in the address bar. Log into your OneDrive account using your Microsoft credentials. Once you are signed in, you'll see your OneDrive dashboard displaying all your files and folders. Locate the folder you wish to download. Right-click on the folder to open the context menu. In the context menu, select the download option. If the folder contains multiple files, OneDrive will compress the folder into a .zip file for easier downloading. The download may take a few moments depending on the size of the folder. Once the download completes, locate the .zip file in your computer's Downloads folder. Double-click the .zip file to open it. Extract the contents of the .zip file by dragging the files to your desired location on your computer. For versioning, you can access OneDrive's version history feature. Right-click on any file within the folder you downloaded. Select Version History from the context menu. A new pane will open, showing all previous versions of the file. You can select any version to view or restore if needed. Make sure to regularly download your OneDrive folders for up-to-date backups. This process ensures you have reliable copies and a record of different versions of your files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.